Bienvenidos. Welcome to Spanish with Liliana. Today we're going to talk about the subject pronouns, los pronombres sujeto. For the first person singular, we have yo. Yo. It means I. In plural, we have two. Nosotros, nosotros, nosotras, nosotras. Both of them mean we. Nosotros is for an all-male group or a mixed group of females and males. Nosotras is for all females. In second person, we have tú, or usted, usted. Both of them mean you. We also have ustedes in plural, ustedes, ustedes. So all three mean you. Ustedes is for plural. Tú is very informal for your friends or family. Usted is very formal. For the third person, we have él, it means he, and we have ella, it means she, él, ella. In plural, we have ellos, and ellas, Both of them mean they. Similar to nosotros, we use ellos for an all-male group or a mixed group of females and males. And we use ellas for a group of all-female persons. I know in English we also use it. In Spanish, it's not technically a pronoun, but it would be eso for masculine, or esa for feminine. So here they are. Let's say them again. Yo, nosotros, nosotros, nosotras, nosotras. Make sure you're repeating as well. Tú, usted, ustedes, él, ella, ellos, ellas. This is used in Mexico. In other Spanish-speaking countries, there are a few other pronouns, such as vos, for you, or vosotros, vosotras, for you as well, but in plural. This is it. I hope you learned all of the pronouns and see you next time.